Oh, oh shit, bro. I can't wait to see this video. This shit's gonna be crazy. So anyway, y'all, put the windows up. So I'm driving a Lamborghini Urus, not your regular Lamborghini Urus, a Lamborghini Urus Performante. You hear that? I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's a different feeling from the Trackhawk. The Trackhawk got like an angry type of power. This is like a angry but smooth kind of ride. And by the way, y'all, this Lamborghini Urus Performante got massage seats. Your back is getting massaged while you're driving, y'all. So if you're driving this car and you get in a massage, you know what I'm saying, you get in and you fall asleep and crash. So you gotta be careful with that. And this shit put you to sleep. But let's see how this shit feel from the Trackhawk, y'all. Oh my god. Come on, lady, what you doing? I see you, I see you, I see you. Like I'm getting used to it because it's way more wider than the Trackhawk. Like in the Trackhawk, I'm just weaving through traffic. This right here is huge, bro. I feel like I'm driving a tank. It feels good though. I'm not gonna lie. But the Sheridan, all right. Let's make this quick. But anyway, y'all, how y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's safe. Shout out to my homeboy. I'm not gonna say his name, but he gave me his keys to his precious Lamborghini and to make this video for y'all. So I appreciate that. So it's good to surround yourself with good friends, man, good people. You know what I mean? They want to see you win. You know what I mean? That's what I tell everybody. If you surround yourself with good people, good things gonna come to you. So that's
next to it?
Thumbnail. We got a Cybertruck. Anyway. Oh my god. Oh my god. This shit is different. Hey y'all, this is not my truck, so I gotta be easy with it, alright? I can't go crazy, so man, this shit sound good. I like that burping. It's not my truck, y'all. I can't just go crazy with it, and you know what I'm saying? This is a $400,000 truck. You know what I mean? When somebody lets you borrow their stuff, you know what I'm saying, you gotta treat it with respect. Cause you know people gonna be complaining. Let's see what this thing could do, man. Oh my god, what the hell was that? Oh my god. Hey, to all y'all talking shit, man, you probably will never get a chance to drive one of those, so I don't want to hear it. Oh my lord. Whew, I gotta hear that, bro. Y'all don't hear that? Oh, ho, ho. I'm burping on everybody back there. Alright. The wind gonna mess up my video. Oh my god, bro.
Student driver next to it.
Oh shit.
Don't drive like that guy.
Bro, this thing got so much control. You don't understand. Look at this. Got so much control, man. This thing is smooth, man. Italian engineering. Oh my God. Just imagine if this shit had downpipes. Oh, there goes the popo. There goes the popo. There goes the police. I'm not gonna burp on him. Yo, that's an undercover cop too. Oh shit. Undercover Durango. You would not even know. Yeah, man, they got them undercovers out here. But they're not gonna stop me in a Lamborghini, bro. They probably will stop me in a Lamborghini because I'm black. What the hell? Out of the way, dude. Oh my God, bro. Oh Lord. Hey. Come on, let's go. People just be making traffic. As soon as the light turn green, just go, bro. What you waiting on? Come on, man. Go, 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 go. A fucking ugly ass Tesla. Oh my God. Go. Come on, y'all. I look like the police right there, don't it? That long ass antenna on top of this shit. Motherfucker be chasing tornadoes and shit. Them dudes I be chasing tornadoes with the big ass antennas on their shit. I see him. Oh, we got a Tesla over there. Your ass, dog. Oh yeah, he trying to get the hell up out of there. Fucking Tesla is one of the ugliest cars. Is that the fast one? I think that's one of the fast ones. That's all right, where we going? Where we going? Come on, man. All right, there we go. We clear. Oh man, that's a CTSV Cadillac truck. Those are fast as hell. Man. Hey man, y'all gotta thank me for bringing this POV to y'all. Y'all don't know, like, you know what I'm saying, for somebody to trust you with a $400,000 truck to just drive around to make a video, you know what I mean? I did this for y'all. God, Jesus, this thing sound good. I knew he was gonna do that. Go ahead, bro. Come on. What are you trying to do? Motherfucker trying to do an insurance scam. You goddamn fraudster. That's a police right there. You see him? You see him? You see him?
Yeah.
Right there. Right there. That's him.
Yeah.
I see you, bro. Yeah, that's an undercover right there. That's the same one that I pulled over that guy over there when we was coming down. I got good memories, dog. That boy should say Septify. System currently limited. Holy shit. But anyway, y'all, let me know what y'all think about this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, y'all. If you know what I'm saying, been watching my content, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Y'all don't understand how much this meant to me. I'm gonna keep try to bring a whole more different type of cars on the platform, not just Mopar stuff. So once I get them, I'm gonna bring them on the platform. Is that another police up there? Police driving. Was that a Camaro? Jesus. Oh yeah, in Pembroke Pines, Davy, they got a lot of money out there. Trying to make this shit like Dubai, where police are driving Lamborghinis. Where the fuck are you gonna put the perp at? In the fucking trunk? Let's go, man. What we got going on here? So, how does it feel from driving the Trackhawk? Yo, this is a whole different feeling. It's a whole different type of speed. It's a whole different type of feeling. So 10 out of 10, I'm gonna give it a 10. And the reason why is it got speed, it's got hella luxury, hella comfort. You know what I mean? And it sounds great. I know a lot of y'all probably drove like a Lamborghini Urus, but the Lamborghini Performante is just so much better. This thing is just so much better, y'all. You don't understand. Man, this shit feels so. It just feels so much better than the Trackhawk in so many ways. With comfort, you know, with all this luxury stuff and the steering wheel, the feel. It just feels so much better than the Trackhawk. The Trackhawk is just built. It's just you just buying an engine. That's it. This thing you buying an engine. You buying comfort. You know what I'm saying? You buying everything. Plus, this is the pussy wagon. All the Miami fucking gold diggers, bro. They see you in this shit. Panties coming off. You see that shit? Holy shit. Fucking. What's that boy name? Not God. What's his name? Thor. Thor just came down to earth.
Zeus.
So once you do that, you just gotta stay on the gas.
Yeah.
Ho ho! God, bro, you can't do no wrong in this shit. You just can't do wrong in this car, bro. The price tag on this is about $400,000. Can't do no wrong in this Lamborghini. Brakes are smooth. Look at that. Look at that. We stopped like nothing happened. All right. Oh shit. Oh! I don't know, that asshole look like he wanna run across the street. No, man! I ain't giving you a ride. Call AAA, dude. Oh shit! Man, I ain't gonna lie, I would probably go to hella fuel in this car, just fucking boop, 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 boop. Oh my god, it's like a dream come true, man. I want this to be like, this is like my garage, like my Trackhawk, a Hellcat Red Eye Jailbreak, a Lamborghini Urus Performante, a Lamborghini SVJ, right? And maybe a McLaren 720 somewhere around, but, and a GTR. That's like my dream garage. Oh shit! Oh, what the hell? What we got right here? What we got right here? What? You trying to race? Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Y'all don't understand how good this shit feels. It's like a dream come true, man. I'll get this opportunity again because the type of people that I hang around and stuff like that, you know what I mean? If one thing I gotta tell y'all for the day, y'all, like, be around people that's, you know what I'm saying, that want to see you win. People that got something going for themselves, you know what I'm saying? Because if you hang around bad people, guess what? You're gonna be doing bad shit. You know what I mean? If you hang around people that in gangs and gang banging, robbing and killing people and all that kind of stuff, that's what you're gonna do. But if you're around people that's doing good shit, you're gonna be doing good shit. You know what I mean? That's just the way it is, period. There's no way around it. You know what I mean? So when everybody be saying like, well, I grew up like that, this and this like that, we all got a choice, man. And whatever choice you make, this is what you're gonna rip from it. So if you plant a seed, you know what I'm saying, and you water that seed right, and you put water in every day, the tree's gonna grow. But if you don't water it, it's gonna grow all fucked up. You know what I mean? So I hate when people give me that excuse. Well, I grew up in the ghetto and stuff like that, and this is all I know. But you could do something about it now that you got some sense in your head. You know what I'm saying? You're not a kid, so it is what it is, man. I could go try to rob that gas station there right now. The police come kill me or whatever the case is. I choose that. I could have went straight. So whatever choice that you make in life, this is what you're gonna rip from it. We all got a choice, man. We all got a choice. So this is all I gotta say for y'all today, man. I love y'all, and subscribe to the video, man. Let me know what y'all think. Oh, we got a Mustang. I hate fucking Mustangs. I was gonna chase him, but it's not even worth chasing a Mustang, man. Anyway, y'all, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. If you're new, don't forget to hit that bell. Subscribe. If you've been watching, I appreciate y'all, man. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is the Lamborghini Performante Urus. As y'all can see, it's not a regular Urus. It looked like a regular Urus, but it's not. Let me show y'all. Lamborghini Performante, y'all. This thing got carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. This thing looked great. Man, this was definitely an experience. Y'all don't understand, but shout out to my homeboy that let me drive this Urus, y'all. But like I say again, y'all, I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.